How to fix this app isn't available for your device because it was made for an older version of Android. So if you want to download any application, if you go for the App Store or the Play Store, and if it says that this app isn't available for your device because it was made for an older version of Android. So this happens in Android devices. So if you're facing this kind of problem, then what you need to do is you need to simply update your system, or you need to update your mobile. And if you have not updated, and if you don't have an update option under your mobile, then the only thing you can do is open up your browser. Once you've opened, go for the search, and once you've searched, now you can simply go for APK installer. Once you've searched for APK installer, now if you have your desktop version, simply turn off your desktop site, and here you will have APK installers. So you can simply tap on any one of these installers, and once you tap on these installers and install these applications, now that app might be available. So without using any third-party applications, there is no any particular fix. So simply install a third-party application like the APK installer, and once you've installed, now your problem will be fixed. So that's the only way. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.